Amazing aircrafts. Lesson number 1. Off in a jet plane. Off in a jet plane. Have you seen a plane like this one? Many people go on holiday on a passenger jet like this. These people are going off one holiday in a big passenger jet. Big planes. Some planes are very big. This big passenger jet is called Airbus. It can fly fast and high. Over 500 passengers can get into the Airbus. Electric plane. This little Airbus plane has electric engines. Only 2 people can get into this electric plane. Racing plane. This racing plane is very fast and light. It races other planes in fast and exciting race. Only the pilot can fly in this exciting racing plane. Fire. This special plane is going to put out a big fire. Helicopters. You can fly in many other aircrafts. You can go high up in a helicopter too. Helicopters like these are exciting to fly in. Gliders. Gliders look like planes, but they do not have engines. Would you like to go up in a glider like this one? Pull the glider up like this. Big airships. This very big aircraft is called an airship. It has a light gas in it that makes the airship fly. The airship has special engines to help it take off and land. Rescue aircraft. Some aircraft can rescue people. These rescue aircraft go to help people on land and in water. Rescue plane. Rescue helicopter. This rescue helicopter is going to help people in the water. Be a pilot. It is exciting to be a pilot and to fly fast planes and helicopters. If you fly in a rescue aircraft, you can help other people too. The helicopter pulls up the rescued people.